Do you want to know how you can log into your Quantum Club account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Quantum Club account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser and then go to the Google search bar and then search for Quantum Club login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Quantumclub AI. Now you can see the email address and password section. As this is your login portal, you must write down your email credentials. Write down the email and the password to your account in Quantum Club. After you write your email and password, go ahead and click sign in. This way you can sign in to your Quantumclub.ai account. In case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click new to Quantum Club or click on create an account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.